How to add or remove the follow button on your Facebook profile. So if you want to add or remove your follow button on your Facebook profile, then what you need to do is first open up your Facebook application, and then you need to simply go for the upper right, which has that three bar icon, and you can simply go for settings and privacy, and then you can go for settings, and under your settings you may have public post option. So tap on the post or the public post, and here you will have a question which is who can see your future post. So you need to simply go for the right side, which has that drop down bar, and then you need to choose friends, or you can choose friends accept or specific friends or only me, which is your choice, but you need to simply tap on friends for now. And once you tap on friends, now the follow button has been removed from your Facebook, and you will have add friend option. But if you want to remove the add friend and if you want to add the follow button, then again tap on that, and then you need to go for public. Once you tap on public, you will get the follow button. So that's it. That's how you can add or remove the follow button on your Facebook profile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.